we were netting. This one was computed how many days ago? Is this present? Sir, is this present?
No.
The computation? Because when we did ours, it was probably an estimation without the staking. We had 4,006, right? But we did not do staking. Yes. So, okay. What do you want? Wallets in this scheme. Well, this one we have 7 wallets. This one has 4 wallets that you want to do. You have the 1,000 main account, 505 people under you.
Yes.
Yeah. So he's an organic V3. But anybody can choose to do the express one.
15 days Thomas achieved
Design,
V3.
you like to add?
Oh, 15 days. My friend Tom
Okay, so
from
let's
USA
give a round of
achievement
applause for
only
Philip Morris.
15 days.
वीडियो चल रही है
Okay.
वीडियो चल रही है